Okay, hello guys, thanks for joining me here. Thanks for watching this live trading session, this live webinar. Today we'll talk about Bitcoin's crash, about maybe potential US oil shorts, selling opportunities. Also, I will take a look on commodities, gold, silver, yeah, on metals actually. I will take a look on the dollar index, on the Japanese yen, on Forex majors, indexes. Yeah. So thanks again for joining me here. Don't forget, as always, please consult, read the disclaimer, and if you have questions, more questions about subscription services, please email support. Yeah, they will come back to you. They will reply. You have here our the email. Yeah. And please guys, if you want to become a VIP member, if you are not a VIP member, if you want to become a VIP member, please access the link posted right below this video, and you can still use this code coupon at the checkout to get a 15% discount. So Jan special, yeah, hurry up because this coupon code will expire. Okay, I will close that window. One moment, I want to refresh the economic calendar because maybe later in 26 minutes or something the US is to release the CB leading index. Also, don't forget the consumer confidence from the Eurozone could bring some volatility later. Samuel, good day, sir. How are you? Samuel, Stefan, Martin, how are you? And don't forget also, we have something like this. Yalon Speaks. Maybe this event could bring some volatility as well. Could bring some action into the markets. First of all, personally, I want to talk about this. Unfortunately, I've missed this opportunity here in US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Unfortunately, only because yeah, it was something like an intraday trade. So personally, I've had here something like 1, 2, and 3, an ascending pitchfork on the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Yeah, the price increased within the ascending pitchfork's body. Here, personally, after something like this rally, I've placed an inside sliding parallel line, a dynamic resistance. You can see that the price increased here as much as 0.9158. Yeah, it has retreated and then it has found resistance here at this line again. Drop, test, retest of the lower medium line. A new rally upside bullish momentum. Bogda, what's up? And then here, very important, it has failed to approach to retest the inside sliding line, yeah, my dynamic resistance, signaling that maybe the buyers are exhausted. And also here it has failed to stabilize above the 0.9169 static resistance, yeah, pivot point, weekly pivot point, breakdown, aggressive breakdown. And personally, here I've missed an opportunity to go short. Yeah, maybe personally I would have placed something like this, maybe here like sell stop, yeah, and maybe below this low, below 0.9139, yeah. And maybe I would have placed my stop loss above these above these highs here, and also maybe here something like a double top or something, reversal pattern. But right now, in my opinion, it's too late maybe to go short, only because the price could find maybe resistance, a support here. In the short term, it has maybe, I don't know, maybe I would have placed it, and I would have placed my take profit here or here, I don't know. But right now it's too late to go short, only because maybe we had something here as well after this rebound. But yeah, right now personally I don't want to go short right before this economic indicator, maybe. But I wanted to show you this maybe as an educational, yeah, this is my opinion here. This was my opinion, and unfortunately I've missed the opportunity to go short here. As I've told you, right now personally I will not place a trade here right now. Yeah. Here it was a great opportunity to go short. Yeah, it's failure to stabilize here, breakdown below the lower medium line, and right now sell off. Yeah, this is my opinion. Everything is for educational here. So let's take a look. US oil. And please guys, if you have questions, I'm waiting for questions, for your messages. Yeah, into the VIP, into the, sorry, I'm a little tired, into the YouTube chat. So if you remember guys, when I talked about something like this in US oil, something like an up channel, yeah, and I've told you also maybe here that the price of US oil printed a gap down, yeah, and right now breakdown below the uptrend line. And personally I've told you maybe here that I've placed it and I've drawn 1, 2 and 3 a major descending pitchfork. So personally what I'm looking here is or personally I want something like this here. Yeah, so breakdown, we have an immediate low here, 82.77. so this could be my my selling setup. Yeah, in US oil. So strong resistance, I've told you about this strong resistance. It has failed to stabilize above it, breakdown, and right now retest. Okay, so in the short term, if the price of US oil will retest the broken uptrend line, also personally I want to see maybe retest false breakouts. Yeah, false breakouts with great separation also above the upper medium line, maybe a sideways movement here, retest here. And in my opinion, if the US oil will stay, yeah, below the broken uptrend line, below the upper medium line, retest, false breakouts, and a new lower low, a value breakdown below 82.77 could open the door for a larger downside movement for a corrective phase. So personally, I will look for shorts here, and I'll wait for confirmation. Yeah, because right now I don't want to sell it here because maybe the price could come back down only towards this level to retest it before jumping higher, or it could maybe make a valid breakout to continue to grow a new higher high. So that's why I want retest, false breakouts, a new lower low, and then yeah, something like a strong downside movement, potential corrective phase, larger and strong corrective phase. Yeah, also if you'll use Fibonacci retracement here, yeah, on this last swing higher, leg higher, you will notice that you will one moment. So you will see that we have here around 82.77 the 23.6 retracement level. So yeah, if the price will maybe drop, stabilize below it, it could signal that the US oil could come back down, could develop a downside movement. Okay, so when I'll have a confirmation here, yeah, personally I will also share my setup, my levels, my trade with the VIP members. And if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us, maybe to, I don't know, to test or to our services, yeah, you can join us by accessing the link posted right below this video. Yeah, and you can also use that code, that coupon Jan Special, to get a 15% discount. Okay, so please guys, if you have questions, if you want me to take a look on a specific market, but personally I will look on all markets right now today, even if it's Friday. Yeah, maybe we can prepare the next week. Yeah, I've told you earlier today that maybe I will look for longs in gold here, but unfortunately I didn't have something really good like a good setup. Yeah, it has rebounded, bounced back from this support zone, former resistance. personally, I would have liked to see retests here, false breakdowns before considering going long, because this could still be only a temporary growth before maybe coming back down or something. So yeah, personally, I would have liked the price to retest also the lower medium line, maybe this zone, this area, to retest it, to print, to register only false breakdowns below it before turning to the upside again. So right now, I will still wait maybe for something really good in gold, because today maybe yeah, I wanted maybe technically, guys, yeah, something like this. So strong upside movement, yeah, something like this, like a potential head and shoulders reversal. Harry, how are you? Something like a potential head and shoulders here. Maybe in the short term we had something here like an opportunity, but only as scalping or something intraday, something on lower time frames here, breakdown. But you can see that yeah, it was a great decision not to go short here on gold, only because, or personally, I didn't want it to go short here after even if the price action printed this potential. Harry, your opinion about the British pound Canadian dollar pair. Thank you, Harry. Yeah, I will take a look right after I will finish here with gold. So something like this. Even if the price action printed this head and shoulders pattern, yeah, personally I didn't want it to go short here, yeah, because I have a support, a major strong support zone here, demand zone. So yeah, I've expected maybe only a temporary decline drop. Unfortunately, yeah, I told you, personally I would have liked it to see here something like a stronger accumulation, consolidation, test, retest before turning to the upside. So maybe I'll wait for another maybe drop, decline, downside movement, retreat, or range, or something like this. Or actually, please take a look here on the 15 minutes chart. So something like this, like a down channel, like a flag, like a bullish pattern. And also something like this, if the price will come back to retest it, to move sideways, maybe it will bring us maybe new buying opportunities here in gold, because I will not buy it here. I want retest, a temporary drop, consolidation, accumulation before considering going long maybe in gold. Okay, so this is my opinion in gold, guys. And if you remember, I've told you that the medium line could attract the price. The medium line represents a dynamic resistance. You can see here temporary drop, rally, retest, sell off. And personally, I wanted the price to retest the lower medium line or the outside sliding line, maybe before developing a new strong leg higher upside movement. Okay, because as long as it stays above the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, above this outside sliding line, yeah, the bias is bullish. But I want to catch something like a strong upside movement, because from here it could jump towards the R2, towards the medium line, or I don't know, it could increase only a little to approach to reach these former highs and then to drop. And that's why maybe I want to see a temporary drop, sideways movement, accumulation, consolidation before developing a new leg higher. So this is my opinion. British pound Canadian dollar for Harry. Thank you, Harry. Don't forget to like this this video, because yeah, it will help me into the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, guys. So I'm not trading this market, this pair. Personally, I've drawn here something like an ascending pitchfork, hoping that I'll catch something, but you can see that the price dropped below the lower medium line, so I will delete it. It has found the support here around the 50% retracement level. One moment, because I want to use this pitchfork, a descending pitchfork, guys, here. Iqbal Yulianto, why do you recommend buying British pound Japanese yen? No, I'm not recommending anything. That's not my trade. That was not my trade. That was Orlando's pending order, and it was a pending order, and I believe that his pending order was invalidated because the price dropped, and it has reached its stop loss level before without reaching its entry. So yeah, Orlando will come back with his update, and I believe that his pending order, a buy stop, was invalidated. So we are not recommending anything here. Okay, if you want to follow a trade, it's fine. If you want to use our trade management, it's fine as well. So we are not recommending anything. We are not financial advisors. Brad Thomas, hi, how are you? Bogdah, is my question visible? What question? Braun, I currently have a sell on Australian dollar, Japanese yen swing trade. However, I want to ensure that the GBP Japanese yen buy would make sense with this active. I've told you, Braun, that let's take a look. So one moment, because I want to take a look on Orlando's setup. One moment, guys. So something like this: buy stop 154.89. 89 here. So let's take a look. Let's zoom it. So I believe that Orlando's rationale was something like this. Yeah, the price reached maybe 38.2, maybe something like this, and a new higher high here, maybe a breakout above the immediate high, maybe would have signaled potential strong upside movement. I believe that that it was Orlando's rationale behind his trade. Also, it has reached maybe these former highs or something like a demand zone. But so stop loss 154.33. Yeah, so the price failed to, yeah, I will show you something like this. So 154.89, okay, 89, his entry and his stop, okay, 154.33. And sorry, what? Yeah, stop level and take profit, something like this. It was Orlando's setup today. Yeah, so the price failed. Yeah, I will take a look, Stephen, on silver as well. Brad Thomas, good, thank you. Yeah, Brown. Okay, so this was Orlando's setup today, but you can see that the price resumed its sell-off. So this pending order, this buy stop, was invalidated because the price failed to reach his entry level. It has reached the stop loss, so this setup was invalidated. But yeah, you can wait for Orlando's update into the VIP or free group. Yeah. About this market. Okay, so also about the Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Right now the Japanese yen is strongly bullish. Okay, so let's take a look. So, and that's why his order was invalidated, okay, or his setup. So about this market, I believe that Aziz has a short position which runs in deep profit right now here on Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So I will not talk about his trade. I've told you that is in profit. You can see here that yeah, something like this, something like a range pattern, maybe in the short term between 82.09, 82.95. Yeah. and something like this breakdown. It has maybe invalidated potential rebound upside movement, and it has signaled confirmed maybe a deeper drop or something, but you should be careful here around the 38.2. yeah, test retest, false breakouts. But in my opinion right now, also this former high, but in my opinion, and right now yeah, the bias is bearish. Yeah, after its failure to stay above 82.09, maybe after its failure here to make a new higher high, the pressure is still high. So yeah, also Aziz will come back with his update on his trade. But first of all, let's take a look. 6J, trying to understand why the Japanese yen rallies. So strong upside movement. That's why on the Japanese yen futures. Yeah, that's why also yen basket rally here as well. So that's why the Japanese yen dominates the currency market right now. It has appreciated versus its rivals. Yeah, strong rally here on the yen basket. We have a correlation, and when this yen basket, yeah, increases, rallies, then the Japanese yen will appreciate versus its rivals. So you can use this correlation, and here in the short term, or actually please take a look here, 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, it has increased, jumped above the medium line, drop, and it has found support here on the lower medium line. You can see once again how the price respects these lines of this trading tool, technical tool, Andrew's pitchfork. Yeah, test retest, dynamic support. Personally, I've had also a descending pitchfork here, and here we had something like a confluence area, test retest, also confluence area here, and breakout above the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, and right now a new higher high. So in my opinion, in the short term here on the yen basket, the bias is bullish as long as it stays above 91.30, and potential upside continuation could force the yen to appreciate, yeah, versus its rivals. So yeah, Aziz's trade on Australian dollar Japanese yen is still really good. Bron, it is necessary to close forex trades before the market close for the weekend. No, personally I'm holding trades during weekend, but don't forget that you have to maybe to pay something like a commission or something. Yeah, a swap or something, it depends. Yeah, so it's not necessary. It's up to you if you want to close your trades. Yeah, so as you can see, Orlando updated the VIP group about his trade. So something like this. Yeah. One moment, because I have to check something. Please, guys, if you have questions, yeah, I will take a look. Sorry, on silver. Thank you for a message, Stephen. Thank you for a message. So, silver, I believe that Orlando is still holding his long, his trade. I believe from around these levels. From here, from around this level. So I believe if you followed his trade, I believe that you are in deep profit right now in here in silver. Yeah. So I will delete or actually no, I will use maybe the first warning line here. So let's take a look here. I will delete this up channel. I will keep only my my ascending pitchfork here. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, test retest here. Rally. It has managed to stay above the medium line. Valid breakout above the inside the sliding parallel line. Also above the R1, and then upside continuation. And right now, as you can see, the price reached this first warning line. Yeah, wonderful. So the price of silver found resistance here. So even if you use maybe pitchfork, this pitchfork, yeah, you will have a resistance here at the R1. If you will use maybe weekly pivot points, you will have the weekly R3 here. Okay, so 24.571. Okay, so this is something like a confluence trading, maybe. Yeah, when you have maybe more than one tool or indicator that will indicate the same thing. So we have something like a resistance area here, resistance zone, false breakout, retest. I don't know right now what Orlando will come back with his update on silver. Don't worry. Personally, I will draw a descending pitchfork here. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. And in my opinion, maybe if the price of silver will test retest, register, if it will maybe test retest the warning line, the R3, the upper medium line of the descending pitchfork, maybe to print only false breakouts here, maybe it will signal that it could come back down towards the R2, towards the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork. Yeah, in the short term, or after this amazing rally. Yeah, the price of silver could retreat a little, but for now it's still bullish. It's still strongly bullish. Okay, in my opinion. Yeah, because yeah, the price could take out the resistance levels, value breakout, and then continuation. Yeah. Also, we have static support here, 24.278. Okay. It could move sideways to accumulate more bullish energy, to attract more buyers before jumping higher. Okay, so I believe that you are or actually Orlando's trade is in deep profit, and I don't know. He will come back with his update. Yeah, on silver, on his trade. I will take a look on. Which exchange recommend for crypto and why, and also how much percent capital should I use for short and long term trades? I don't know, man. I will not recommend anything like an exchange or a brokerage company. I will not do that. But I don't know, if you want, I don't know, maybe you can email support, maybe they will help you, but personally I'm not recommending anything, because I don't know, I'm not selling anything. I'm not I don't have a partnership with an exchange to sell it or to promote it or something. So it's your call. Yeah, I don't know where are you from, and I cannot recommend anything. Yeah. Fatso, I really feel bad for these traders who pay money for a premium service. I started trading 3 weeks ago and I'm already dropping 85-90% accuracy because I decided to learn how to trade like the 1%. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't know why you lost 80%, 90%. That's your fault. Yeah. Ask yourself, what is the logic of those lines? Anyone can draw random lines on chart and make you think that. Yeah, that's your opinion. Yeah, thank you. Thanks. Okay. Giovanni, how are you? I didn't say that I'm the best trader or something. You don't have to draw lines like me. You don't have to use the same tools or the same technique, indicators, approach or something. So if you find something interesting in my analysis, you can use them. If you want to follow my trades, it's fine. If you don't want to follow them, it's fine as well. So personally, I'm not here to sell anything or to force you to use my my strategy or my tools or or to follow my trades. It's up to you. It's your call. So you are responsible for your trading account. Giovanni, hello. Just pass here to say hello. Crying for stock market these days. Yeah, Giovanni, I will take a look on US equities as well. Yeah, and yeah. So this is my opinion here in silver. Let's take a look. Giovanni. So Godspeed Freeman, loving the silver trade. Also, new VIP is, yeah. Thank you. US 100, guys, strong sell-off, and yeah, Giovanni. The stock market crashes right now. Actually, the US equities but 14,457.9 stands as a static support. Let's wait and see how the US 100 and Nasdaq will react here. Right now it's too late to go short or something, but yeah, also something like a down channel here. Let's wait, maybe it will hit this confluence area, or maybe it will I don't know, maybe if the US 100 will print here something like a strong bullish pattern, okay, a pin bar, a false breakdown with great separation, or maybe something like I don't know, something like bullish engulfing, okay, or I don't know, double bottom, yeah, or I don't know, sideways movement, test, retest, a bullish pattern here, or something like I don't know, maybe something like this, like an inverse head and shoulders or something. So if the price will print something like this here, a bullish pattern here, maybe it will signal a potential rebound from this support zone from here. So personally, I'll keep an eye on US 100, and if I'll have something, yeah, maybe I will share my trade with you guys. Also 1, 2, and maybe 3 here. I don't know, maybe if the price will make something like this, if it will maybe test retest, if it will maybe stay above the 14,457 to test retest, maybe yeah, I will draw an ascending pitchfork here when I'll have a new lower low, yeah, and maybe test retest could bring us maybe short term, maybe buying opportunity in US 100, yeah. Say Nadine, I just joined you guys 3 days ago. You are amazing. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm glad that there are members who appreciate maybe our efforts here. Yeah, we are not perfect traders. We don't know everything, but yeah, I'm glad that you appreciate our VIP content, maybe trades, yeah. Thank you. So something like this in US 100, sorry, US 30, the Dow Jones. Let's take a look. Descending pitchfork, 1, 2, and 3, retest. And here, in my opinion, maybe we can use something like an uptrend line or something here. And also, but in the short term, if it will maybe stabilize below the medium line of the descending pitchfork, it could drop at least towards the uptrend line. And here, if it will maybe find strong support, sideways movement, if it will maybe come back above the medium line to move sideways, to test, retest, to print here also a reversal pattern or a bullish pattern, yeah, it could develop a new leg higher. And a valid breakdown, if it will maybe take out this dynamic support, valid breakdown, if it will maybe stay below the medium line, it could resume its downside movement, okay? This is my opinion here. Strong sell-off also in US 500. It has ignored this low here, 45.01.4. So here on the US 500, the price activated maybe a potential deeper drop. So far okay, but number of signals are less. I don't understand. So you want us to send you trades even if we don't have something really good, even if we don't have a high probability trade, a high probability setup. I joined your VIP group about a few days ago. Before I felt more comfortable with your signals, especially silver. Amazing. I love your buy stop and stop selling signals. It's up to you. If you want to open 10 trades per day, please do it. It's your call, it's your trading account, but personally I will open a trade, I will share a trade with the VIP members only when I have something really good. Yeah, and if you want to follow my trade, it's fine. If you want my trade management, it's fine as well. So here dropping below these levels, yeah, is former high, former lows. Maybe open at the door for a deeper drop, for a larger downside movement. Yeah. Here, but maybe personally I would have liked to see maybe, or actually I don't know, I want to see maybe something like a sideways movement, but right now, as long as it stays below the medium line, retest a new lower low could signal potential deeper drop in the short term here on the US 500. Yeah, and we have something like a potential obstacle here, 43.52.5 or something. Yeah, drop, it has failed to hit the medium line, it has moved in the opposite direction, it was attracted by the upper medium line, and right now valid breakdown. So after this valid breakdown, the bias is bearish. In my opinion, the pressure is high in the short term, and it would be, yeah, maybe it could resume its sell-off, but I don't want to go short here. Yeah, here on the 1 hour we don't have something like a retest maybe, or something, or actually yeah, we have something like this. Personally I want to see maybe something like this, another test, retest, false breakout here above the medium line, maybe before considering going short here on the US 500. Right now I'll stay away. Yeah. Hi sir, any opinion for New Zealand dollar pairs? What pairs? Please. Because I will not take a look on, I don't know, New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc or something, or I don't know. DXY. This low here, 95.75, continues to represent a strong upside obstacle. You can see only false breakouts, drop, but this could still be only a temporary decline to retest the 38.2, the 95.51, the 150% Fibonacci line. Please take a look here. Test, retest, false breakouts. Right now the price, the rate, the DXY, the dollar index jumped above this dynamic resistance. A temporary consolidation, accumulation, test, retest, followed by a new higher high could signal potential upside continuation, and the potential upside continuation here could signal that maybe the US dollar could appreciate versus its rival. So yeah, if this scenario will take shape, guys, if we'll have an upside continuation here. So personally I've drawn an ascending an uptrend line here. So using today's low here, if it stays above it, a new higher high could signal potential growth here. Jean-Pierre, GBP Japanese yen looking to break the 150 for psychological through on that. Yeah, personally, I've talked about this market earlier. Yeah, about the British pound versus the Japanese yen. Terence, New Zealand dollar, Swiss. What? Why? Why did you? Why do you want this market? Only because I've said that I don't want to take a look on New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss franc. No, I will take a look if you want, but personally I'm not trading this market. I'm not trading on this currency pair, so I will try to build something here. Like an analysis or something, yeah. My opinion here on New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss franc, yeah. For Terence. So please tell me, mate, why do you want to trade this market, or because sorry. I'm trying to draw here something. Here, something like this. Sorry about that. I have to zoom it to put my pitchfork here. Okay. So here, something like a corrective phase or something on the 4-hour chart. After its failure here to stabilize above the 23.6, one moment. Yeah, okay. And here in the short term, something like a distribution pattern, maybe, yeah. A distribution, a sideways movement, a range pattern. Sorry. So it's sell-off. Yeah, it has found support here right below the 38.2. Rebound, retest, false breakout. It has failed to make a new higher high. Drop again towards this low, sideways movement here, and right now aggressive breakdown. Maybe we had here something, but now it's too late to go short, because yeah, a breakdown from this range, from this distribution, from this pattern signaled maybe a deeper drop in the short term. But personally, I have an upper medium line here as a potential target. Yeah, downside obstacle. Here 1, 2, and 3, or something like this. Signaled yeah, a valid retest, valid breakdown below the lower medium line, and then sell off. So this is my opinion here in New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss franc. Maybe we had here something, maybe if I would have placed a trade here, maybe I would have placed maybe a sell stop, maybe with an entry right below this former low, I would have maybe placed my stop loss, and I would have maybe hidden my stop loss above this high here, above the pivot point. Yeah, and a new lower low, valid breakdown, would have confirmed a deeper drop, and it would have triggered my trade, sell stop. Yeah, this is my opinion. Okay, Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar rebound only because the dollar index retreated, but maybe personally I will look for shorts here in Euro US dollar. Something like an uptrend line here. Yeah, rebound. The medium line of the descending pitchfork stands as a dynamic resistance here, and I don't know if it stays below it, test retests, followed by a new lower low here. Valid breakdown also below the uptrend line could signal potential deeper drop, could open the door for a downside movement. Okay, so this is my opinion here in euro versus the US dollar, only because right now the dollar index could still resume its upside movement. So that's why personally I will look for shorts here, but I'll wait for a great opportunity setup. Yeah, British pound. Yeah, here maybe we missed something as well only, but after this, maybe you are wondering why I didn't place it a short position or a sell stop here. Yeah, but right now the British pound is strongly bearish. Okay, but personally here on the 4-hour chart, maybe we missed an opportunity here after this false breakout with great separation, guys. Okay, false breakout with great separation signaled that maybe this upside movement rebound ended, and that the price could turn to the upside. But don't worry, guys, even if we are missing opportunities, we'll find something else into the markets. Yeah, so personally I'll keep an eye on all markets. Yeah, and I will come back with something really good maybe. Yeah, US dollar, Japanese yen. Please, guys, if you have maybe more questions. Downside movement as expected, maybe after reaching this resistance area, resistance zone. Personally, I've sent you guys my video analysis, yeah, talking about this potential downside movement. So I will move forward. US dollar, Canadian dollar, sideways movement, range pattern here between 1.2570, 1.2453. Ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3. Retest, false breakdowns, false breakdown with great separation, false breakdown, something like a bullish engulfing, confirmed. But a larger upside movement could be activated and confirmed only if the price will make something like this. Yeah, a new higher high, a valid breakout could signal potential growth, at least towards the medium line. Okay, the medium line could attract the price. The medium line acts as a magnet, and right now the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar tested, retested, confirmed the lower medium line as a dynamic support. Yeah, we have strong demand here, demand zone, and but don't forget that we could have also a false breakdown. Yeah, sorry, a false breakout, a pin bar, a false breakout, several false breakouts or something, test, retest, rejection, and then the price could come back down. So you have to be careful. Yeah, US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, deeper drop, further drop. Yeah, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I don't have something really good here, only because the price of New Zealand dollar, US dollar is almost to hit this support zone. Yeah. So New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Let's so a down channel, guys, and that's why personally I'll wait for the price to hit 0.6701, 0.67 psychological level. We have a strong maybe demand zone, support zone here. Only test, retests, false breakdowns, a bullish pattern here could signal potential rebound in the short term. Yeah. One, two, and three. Please take a look. Drop, false breakdown below the medium line, rebound, retest, but here it has failed to make a new higher high. Strong pressure, new lower low. So in my opinion, even if the price will come back to just retest the medium line, as long as it stays within the descending piece force body below the medium line, it could extend its downside movement. Okay, it could take out also this support. That's why personally I will not go long here. Yeah, maybe there are traders. Okay, personally I will not go long here only if the price reaches my support. Okay, I want to see something. I want a bullish pattern. Okay, this is me. This is my strategy, because the price could take out this support and could drop deeper. And if you all decide maybe to go long here only because you think that the price will turn to the upside from this support zone, yeah, maybe the price will turn to the upside, will bounce back, but it could also take out the support zone and it could continue to drop. Yeah, so that's why personally I'll wait only for high probability trades, for maybe for a reversal pattern here, for a bullish pattern, for a pin bar, false breakdown with great separation, bearish engulfing, inverse head and shoulders, double bottom. Yeah, Australian dollar, US dollar. Something like an up channel. It has failed to approach to retest the upside line, and now it challenges the 38.2, the uptrend line. Okay, maybe also here if we'll use only these maybe levels or something, we have maybe something like a, I don't know, a triangle or something. And as long as it stays above the uptrend line, it could come back maybe to retest also the triangle's upside line or something. And I don't know, a valid breakdown could signal potential downside movement, but it's premature to talk about a downside movement. Okay, Bitcoin. So the price failed here, guys. Once again, you can see that here it has failed to approach to retest the upper medium line. Here it has failed again to approach to retest the upper medium line, because the price registered here only a false breakout above it. It had confirmed this descending pitchfork was confirmed. But yeah, when the price fails maybe to reach the upper medium line, it could turn back to the medium line. It will move in the opposite direction. Strong sell-off in the short term. I don't know, maybe we had here something, but no, it's not a really good pattern or something, triangle. No. maybe something like this. So we had an important support zone here, okay, around these former lows, but this false breakout here, yeah, the pressure was still high here on Bitcoin, okay, the bearish pressure was still high. So this after reaching the medium line, test retest, false breakdowns, personally I've said that maybe the price could turn to the upside, could rebound, but I've told you that also that as long as it stays below the upper medium line, the pressure is high, yeah, and it could drop deeper anytime, okay. So about Bitcoin, so we have the weekly S2 and also the 37,481 as support maybe here, yeah, but I don't know, maybe I want to see something really strong here. Maybe it's failure to approach to reach to retest the medium line, to move something like this, to move somehow sideways, maybe to retest here, maybe to print something here like a pattern, like a down channel falling wedge pattern or something, like a reversal pattern before it will maybe. Terence, thank you sir for your opinion. Thank you. This is my opinion here. I want to see something because as long as it stays below 39,558.70, the bias is bearish. It could extend its sell-off, okay, its drop. But you can see here that yeah, it has registered the false breakdown below the lower medium line, sideways movement, drop, the medium line retest, and in my opinion, maybe if it will maybe fail to approach to reach to retest the medium line, I've told you something like a pattern here, something like a falling wedge, like a reversal pattern here could signal that maybe the price of Bitcoin could really develop a new leg higher or something. Let's use also this this line. Sorry. Yeah, also if it stays below it, it could drop deeper, but only a false breakdown here below this line, sideways movement, test, retest, or something, I don't know, could signal. But don't worry, I will come back with my analysis with, I don't know, tips, setups, ideas. This is not a recommendation, this is not a trade set, this is not a signal, this is not a recommendation. I'm not a financial advisor, so everything here is only for educational purpose. Okay, it seems that you don't have more questions. Ethereum sell-off as well, yeah. In the short term, personally I've had an ascending pitchfork here. It has found resistance at the medium line, weekly pivot point, yeah. Sell off only because the price of Bitcoin plunged, yeah. Okay, it seems that you don't have more questions, so I will end my webinar maybe here right now. Gold, sell off. Yeah, I've told you that I don't want to buy it here because this could be only a false breakout, or maybe I'll wait for the price of gold to retest all these, and before really retest, before really making a valid breakout above this immediate downtrend line, yeah. Gold, guys, yeah. Let's take a look on silver, because I believe that no, right now we don't have a sell-off right now. I've told you, resistance area, resistance zone. Personally, I've drawn a descending pitchfork, but maybe a new sideways movement here, test, retest, a new lower low, could signal potential drop here in silver as well, but right now no. Orlando's trade is still really good in deep profit, so he will come back with his management. Okay, US oil. On 1 hour, I want to talk also about maybe something like this, or like this. That's why, guys, this is not okay. Let's use this downtrend line. So in the short term, something like a down channel, like a flag. Okay, John, US oil. Yeah, I've talked about US oil earlier at the beginning of this webinar, but don't forget, John, that you can take a look again. You can watch this webinar several times, maybe later or during weekend, maybe trying to understand everything. Because yeah, this webinar, this video, you will find this video in our YouTube channel, Learn to Trade YouTube channel, and we have a playlist there, live webinars, and you will find it. You can watch it again. I will talk right now again about US oil. I've told you that something like an up channel. Yeah, personally, I've drawn also a major descending pitchfork here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hoping that maybe I'll catch a strong downside movement after dropping after this breakdown below the immediate uptrend line. Okay, right now sell-off, strong sell-off. Yeah, the 23.6 rebound, maybe test retest, and I told you that if the price will test retest also the resistance zone, maybe the broken uptrend line, maybe the upper medium line test retest, and then maybe a new lower low here, a value breakdown below the 23.6 could signal a potential downside movement. Yeah, a corrective phase here in US oil. John, okay, yeah, I've talked about US oil. Okay, thank you guys. I was live here for more than 1 hour, I believe. Don't forget that oh, sorry, US dollar versus the Mexican peso, because I've had a trade here, but I've as you already know, I've managed my position at break even after something like this. So yesterday, unfortunately, the price failed here to stabilize above the weekly R1 20.451. okay, sell off, and personally when the price registered this rebound, I've closed my trade at break even. Okay, you can see that, yeah, we had a stronger maybe rally in the short term, but right now the price has dropped it again. I don't know, maybe I will look for something else here as long as it stays within the ascending pitchfork's body. But yeah, it was a great decision maybe to, I don't know, to manage it. Also after this candle, the pressure was high, the dollar index was at resistance, so it was a great decision. Even if the price jumped higher, it was in profit. Right now, I believe 20.462 or something. My entry was at 20.464, so we are at break even, something like this. So it was a good decision. Giovanni, US dollar Canadian seems to be trapped in a very tight lateral between descending, waiting for breaking the lateral, or very scalping short with stop loss this level. So Giovanni, I've talked about US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, and I've shared my opinion. Giovanni, you can take a look again on this webinar, on this video. I've talked about this this market. So 1.2548, yeah, and 1.2455. Yeah, I've told you that for me personally, I have something like a range pattern here, and I told you that I don't know, maybe it will if it will maybe fail to approach to reach the range's resistance upside line, it could maybe come back down to test retest all these, I don't know. And I told you, in my opinion personally, I wanted, or actually I've had a short position here. I've closed my my position at breaking even as well after after this pin bar here. Yeah, full breakdown with great separation. But I don't know, maybe personally I want something like this, maybe for the price to fail to make a new higher high, to come back down, a very breakdown, also below the lower medium line, below the medium line, a new lower low could signal potential downside movement. And here also test retest, something like a pattern or something could bring us new buying opportunities or something. And I don't know, also a very breakout, consolidation, accumulation could signal potential growth here towards the medium line. The medium line could attract the price or something. Yeah, okay, thank you guys, have a great weekend, see you on Monday or on Tuesday. And don't forget that when I'll have something like a really good trade, I don't want to send trades or to open trades for myself when I don't have something really good. Personally, I'll wait for good setups, good entries, high probability trades, great risk to reward ratio. Thank you guys, see you next week, have a great weekend, bye bye.